Indian women struggle more with their physical and emotional health. And as we continue to age past 35, our physical and emotional vulnerabilities make us more and more prone towards becoming a burden on our family and our society. If you look around in your family, if you look around among your colleagues, if you look around among your neighbors, you will find many, many examples of these. But I believe in ageless power of women, which means that we accept our age, but we do not allow our age to become an excuse or a reason for our physical or emotional vulnerability. And that will only happen when we strengthify the 8 dimensions of ageless power in women. And it starts with being nutri-fit, being body fit, being in shape, being free of medicines, having a very high immune system, being emotionally strong, and being mentally fit. And with the 7 pillars opens the 8th pillar, which is being an impact creator in this society, where you are not only serving yourself, but you start serving others as well. You start impacting other people's life as well. And this entire journey of ageless power, built upon these 8 strong pillars, makes a woman self-reliant and makes a woman strong, a woman who can serve herself, serve others, and not be a burden on the family and the society. And typically, these women are strong physically, they are strong in their mind and strong in their heart as well. And if you are someone who wishes to know more about these 8 pillars and unlock the path of ageless power in yourself, then I will welcome you to join my free masterclass where I will take you through all of these 8 pillars of unlocking your ageless power. What are you waiting for? Quickly click the button below, meet me in this live masterclass. And who am I? I am Ruma. I'm a certified fitness trainer, nutritionist, a women's fitness specialist, and specialist in exercise therapy from International Sports and Sciences Academy USA and National Academy of Sports Medicines USA. I was recognized by the Government of India and awarded by Times of India and Economic Times for my work in the area of health and fitness and for my work in making women stronger physically, mentally, and emotionally. So what are you waiting for? Join me in this masterclass and we are going to have a blast. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.